A few years ago, my grandmother had a stroke. I remember the difficulty she faced during recovery, especially with her memory and object recognition. I could see the frustrations that she felt while struggling to communicate with me, and this pushed me to create an app to help her and other stroke patients that were dealing with similar struggles.
All of our team members had family who suffered from stroke, allowing us to better understand the struggles of the recovery process.
In America, there are 795,000 new or recurrent strokes each year. According to a study by the American Stroke Association, incidence, death, and disability-adjusted life years increased by about 20% this year.
They get basically sent home before they're ready to be sent home. So they go from living in a facility where they have potentially 24-hour level of care to having none. If patients don't have a good home situation to go back to, usually they go by the wayside. Unfortunately, they don't take the medications, they have another stroke again, and that's really unfortunate.
Home Heal seeks to improve the at-home recovery of long-term stroke patients. With Home Heal, patients will be able to recover at home with significantly less stress as a result of the compact and organized framework it provides.
Our app directly helps to ensure healthy lives and promote well-being, which is the third UN Sustainable Development Goal.
The current stroke recovery apps in the market are very limited and less convenient for patients. For instance, the apps Constant Therapy and Peak are solely focused on cognitive rehab and don't share data with healthcare providers, while Home Heal has a large variety of features that meet all of the needs of stroke patients and their doctors.
Firstly, patients can log daily activities, medications, and appointments in the calendar.
In our rehabilitation section, patients can access a variety of guided rehab physical exercises. The app tracks their progress and provides motivational messages when completing an exercise.
Patients can also play memory games and speech exercises within the app to boost cognitive rehabilitation.
The patients who do best after a stroke are the ones who have a really good social network, family and friends who are able to care for them afterwards.
Patients can send their loved ones or doctor a text message within the app describing their mental health and what support they need.
In order to address the memory loss that stroke patients experience, Home Heal has a location reminder and object identifier, which uses an image recognition model that we train to remind patients about the name of an object.
One problem that Dr. Chang identified was that doctors are not able to communicate with their patients clearly at home and are not updated closely with the patient's recovery progress. Through Home Heal, patients will be able to email a weekly progress report to their healthcare provider through their profile, which culminates information from the rehabilitation activities in the app.
During a health emergency, users can easily access all their personal and medical contacts and directly call them within the app.
In order to ensure that our app will truly benefit users, we asked for feedback from stroke specialists and past stroke patients.
One past stroke patient said, "I think Home Heal has a lot of potential to really benefit this community and stroke recovery process, especially with the doctor communication and mental health aspects."
Our revenue model is based on donations, subscriptions, and ads. The app itself will be free to provide maximum access, but patients who use Home Heal will have the opportunity to donate to our company or upgrade to the pro version of the app. We also plan to partner with healthcare facilities such as hospitals and clinics and offer a tiered pricing model which will increase our user base.
In order to market our app, we'll distribute leaflets and flyers at hospitals, create a website, and advertise through social media and health NGOs.
In the future, we will add new features such as a meditation guide to help patients reduce their stress and a doctor version of the app so that doctors can easily track their patients' progress.
Help us achieve our vision of improving at-home stroke recovery through Home Heal. Thank you.